I've got this toilet brush from the brand UPRefine or UPRefine. It's really cool and it's super elegant. Look at it. It comes in a very nice box. Also, look how functional it is. So you basically put it like this, remove it like that, put it back like this, remove it like that, and it comes with these hooks, so you can hook it on the wall and it stays there, which is super nice because you don't have to drill on the wall. Let me hook it up for you and show you how it looks like in my bathroom. Look how nice and convenient, and it's small. It's really, really cool. You grab it and it is nice shape that it can capture all the corners of the toilet, and you can do this and that. This and that. Clean, scrub well. Once you're done, you can just simply place it back in place like that. This is an amazing toilet brush. I really love it. I really like this brand. It's super elegant for your bathroom. I hope you get it and like it as much as I do. Thank you for watching.